Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Darren. I am the Barefoot Skinner coming to you from At Creek's Bend Taxidermy Shop. Today I have a familiar deer for you that was called the Amazing 13 or the Double Dagger 13. Today I'm going to do some final prep for finish work on it. That deer had a bald jawline and lower chin where it was had been wounded and it was missing some hair there around the jawline and chin. So today I'm going to attempt to patch that back up, blend it in, and make it a better looking mount. I thank you for joining. I thank God for giving me the abilities and blessing me with the opportunities that I have in doing this work. So hope you enjoy it as well as I do. Thank you for watching.